Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It is called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for the support of the thumbs up. Okay guys, this is always exciting when a box arrives from Canada. This is a Canadian company that ships in the USA, so you do not have to worry. This is a box for us Americans as well. It goes over through the border. You do not have to worry about anything. All the tracking comes on the American side to us. So this is all in US dollars. It's just fantastic to be able to share on this channel this box. So this is the type of box where all the girls who always say, I wish there was a box out there that was a makeup only box. Well, this is it. So I have the opportunity, because this does get sent over and is gifted to the channel, to share about this box and a little bit more information about this box to you guys. All right. So this is a box, like I said, it comes like this, but it always comes already in a cute little pink package on the outside. So when you get this box, it is always in really good condition. And when they have items that are larger than this box, we do get larger envelopes of it, and so on and so forth. So no worries there, but it always is fun when we can see this box in the mailbox, because I know it is one that I cannot wait to open up. So if you're not familiar with this box, it is called the Chic Beauty Box. And this one is a bi-monthly box, which means you get it every other month. And it was funny, she had a survey on her Instagram, because I follow the company on Instagram. And she said, like, you know, what are your wishes or whatever for this box? And I said for it to become monthly, because she puts in here the mixture of brands, from the highest end brands to the drugstores. And it's such a unique box that no one does boxes like this. And that is why I love being able to share it on the channel. She also has on her website where you fill out a profile, and you get to customize majority of the box. And she tells you when the choice day is, all of that. You get her emails are absolutely fantastically filled with information, as well as the Instagram. And what's great about her is she is a social worker. Her name is Merci, and she always wanted everyone to be able to feel how we feel when we get a great lipstick or something like that. But not everyone, she feels, can afford that $30 lipstick. So she wanted to make a box that was filled with makeup that everybody can feel the same, at a price point that everyone could have the opportunity to try the mixture of the drugstore and the high end, all for that $34.99. It is shipping extra, and it is I think around $7.95 the last time that I checked. So this box is around that $42, but it's all inclusive. All right. When you get it, there is a card in here. When you get PR, you do not have the opportunity to select, but I can tell you all the other items that were ones that you could have gotten to choose from. And the first one, which is the one that I saw the biggest sneak peek on, was from Marc Jacobs. And it is the Omega Glaze All Over Foil Luminizer, or the Bronze Coconut Perfect Tan. And that on its own is a $49 value. You've seen me share it on this channel numerous times. It is one of my favorite blushes that we were able to get that in other boxes as well. But it's few and far between. So the fact that this company is able to get brands like Marc Jacobs, and you'll see some of the other brands in here, will really, really surprise you. And like I said, this is a box that is very affordable. But that could have been one of the items, but it is not the one that I received. The next item that is in the box that I did receive is from Kylie Cosmetics. It is her Lip Shine Lacquer. And it came in, did I put this together wrong? Yeah. It came in this packaging here. Everything is in the full retail packaging. And this one here, the shade that I got is in 416. and it is a gorgeous, gorgeous red color to it. And the only reason I'm not trying any of these products on, this box came a little bit later in the day, And I already filmed today this whole face is another box that arrived, and I had the opportunity to play with all of the products from that box. So there will be 2 videos going up today. And then if you want to know anything more about everything that's on my face, just stay tuned, because like I said, I will be uploading 2 boxes. It was another box that arrived. So this I'm really excited to use, and the color in here looks beyond stunning. So let's take this out, and I will do a swatch of this so that we can take a look and see what this is all about. And yeah, it's a gorgeous color. So really excited about this, to have the opportunity to get something from the Kylie's Cosmetic brand. And this is the first item that I pulled out of my box. And like I said, this one says it is simply a lip shine lacquer, and that is what it is. All right, the next item that is in here, and one of my favorite brushes that I got from her box, you've seen me share it on the channel so many times. It is a brush that was so unique from NYX Professional line, and this is another one from this line. And this one is, it says NYX Makeup Brush. They're saying this is a $12 value. The one that I got is in number 34, and this is a pencil brush. And this one here, it looks like it's a foam, but it's not. It is actually bristles that are all finely packed together. It is such a fantastic brush. I am so excited about this. Like I said, I never knew about NYX brushes, and it's because of this box that I started to fall in love with them. And like I said, one of the main brushes that I use came out of this box, and it was from the NYX Professional line. The other item that could have been in the box that I didn't get in mine is the NARS Precision Lip Liner, and that would have been a $24 value. And I don't know if I mentioned this, Kylie, is an $18 value. The next item in here was the drugstore item, and this time around it is from CoverGirl. And this one here is the one that I got, is an eyeshadow palette in the Daring Nudes. This is a quad, and this is that $9.99 value. And this is that perfect quad to always keep in your arsenal. The all over shade in the inner corner, your brown neutrals for your transition, your deepening, and then a black for a liner. These are the 4 shades that if you're just starting out in makeup, this is how we all started. So excited that this is a palette that I think so many people will get a lot of use out of. The next item in here that I got was from Huda Beauty. Now I'm talking about the brands, guys. This one here is their Easy Bake Loose Powder. And because, you know, I don't have a beauty profile, the shade that I got is in Cinnamon Bun. And the price of this is a $35 value. And again, was completely sealed. I just, you know, cut the seal here where it said Cinnamon Bun to pull the product out so I can actually show you the color. This to me is a really dark color, but I might be able to use this, I'm thinking, as a bronzer. So I will play one day with this, but it is one that I think is absolutely stunning. And if you haven't had the opportunity to have any Huda Beauty, her powders are like phenomenal if you do baking as well. So this they're saying is the Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. And if you don't know about baking, and if this was the right skin tone for me, all you would do is you would take it and you place it on, and when you're a combo oily girl, you know about baking because you let the powder stay on your face a little bit longer, and that's hence the baking part. And then when you finish doing your eye makeup or anything else, you just dust away whatever didn't get absorbed into your skin, and that will help keep your oils at bay a little bit longer and help your makeup last a little bit longer. And her baking loose powder, this actual component that they sent over, if it was in the right shade, is one that is absolutely fantastic. But like I said, I think I'm going to be trying this as a bronzer, and the shade that I got sent was in Cinnamon Bun. The next item that could have been in here was from KVD Beauty. It was the Shake Primer High Impact Eyeshadow Primer, and that is a $22 value. My memory of this product is it came almost like in a bottle where you had to shake together. It was a really unique product. I've never had the opportunity to try it. So if any of you have, please share that in the comments down below because I'm really interested in that one. And then the next item that is in here that I received is from Too Faced. And it came in this packaging here. And this is her, this is the Kajal 12-hour long wearing intense black eyeliner, and this is a $23 value. So you see what I mean by the brands. We got Too Faced, Huda Beauty, we got Kylie Cosmetics, and then you get the opportunity to try the NYX Professional line of brushes, as well as a drugstore product from CoverGirl, which is a good brand as well. So this one is in the shade black. This is simply a kohl pencil. this is what it looks like here. So excited to have the opportunity to share about this box on my channel. It is one that I enjoy. So everyone, based on the selections that are there, the only ones that are the same is they're saying everyone, I think, will be choosing or getting a NYX makeup brush as well as a CoverGirl eyeshadow palette in their boxes, because those are the only two that are the same. So when I look at the card, if it's an either or, because mine is a mixture of both sides, you would either been able to choose, I think, between the Marc Jacobs products or the Huda Beauty, the Kylie Cosmetics or the KVD, the NARS or the Too Faced, and then I mentioned the NYX brush is everybody would get a choice for the NYX brushes as well as the CoverGirl. And that's everything that I have to share with you about this fantastic box from Chic Beauty Box. But what I want to share with you also, let me tell you before I forget, is I went on the website prior to sitting down, because this is a bi-monthly box. And this is their box that is for January, February. It just came a little bit later to me here. So I just want to make sure that everyone knows about it. It is bi-monthly. Usually you get billed in January, and then it usually ships in the month of February. So the next box that's coming up is March, April. And when I went on their website, I was able to get a discount code that I saw. So it says get 5 full-size products every other month for only $34.99. Subscribe today, and you can also score a spring mystery gift plus 10% off your March, April box. And you can use the code SPRINGBOX. So I will make sure to leave that code in the description box down below. Also, we are celebrating here the 5,000 subscribers in the 3.5 years that we have been on YouTube. We're going to have 5 huge winners that are going to be, you can see that video. It'll be in the description box. You have to watch that video with all the rules so you'll be able to enter and be part of the celebration. And then we're going to celebrate with 5 winners to help in the celebration. So I hope you'll be part of it. Make sure to watch that video in the description box. Thank you always for watching my videos all the way to the end, because there's always information that I want to share with you guys, and I always make sure that I get it within the video, and a lot of times it's at the end as well. All right, so don't forget about that discount if you're interested. This is not affiliated or anything like that. It is simply a gift that gets sent, and I love being able to share about boxes that I enjoy, being able to make sure that others are aware of it. And like I said, so many people are looking for solely a makeup box, and that is what this box is all about. And that's it for today, guys. So take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well. Remember, we're gonna have 2 videos up today like we did yesterday. It has been a crazy beginning of March, but a really fantastic one to be able to share with you guys. Bye for now.